Volvo proudly presents pure productivity at its best. The new D-series excavator range. These machines will do the work for you, no matter what the challenge, ensuring maximum productivity in the toughest applications and most demanding environments. Volvo's new D-series machines are developed to boost your productivity in terms of comfort, ease of operation, fuel efficiency, and profitability. Volvo's engines deliver high torque and excellent hydraulic flow, even at low RPM. Volvo's excavators are known for their excellent fuel efficiency. The D-excavators come with new engines that meet the new emission legislation. Harmful emissions and external noise have been significantly reduced for greater environmental care. To maximize productivity, the regeneration system can be activated during operation. The thermostatic controlled cooling reduces fuel consumption and noise and extends component life even further. A world-class excavator has to have a world-class operator environment. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. The Volvo Care Cab is mounted on viscous silicone rubber mounts, greatly reducing whole body vibration and noise. The rollover protective structure, ROPS, provides even greater protection for the operator. The Volvo Care Cab is the place to do more. Vital machine diagnostics are always available thanks to the clear and easy-to-read color eye ECU monitor that doubles as a screen for the rear-view camera. Booms and arms are made from high-strength tensile steel, and the new generation excavators have improved idlers and sprockets. Volvo's well-known building quality ensures consistent, long-term durability even in the toughest applications. Volvo's D-series is all about productivity. 5 work modes help you select the right mode and efficiency for the application at hand. Brute digging power enables you to extract as much as possible, as fast as possible, especially in hard or compacted materials. Thanks to the new, highly improved bucket in and out speeds and the 2-pump bucket conflict system, boom down speeds are further increased on the new EC340D, EC380D, and EC480D models. Thanks to the boom down arm-in system and the flow summation, hydraulic flow is redirected in the most optimized way for significant boosts in productivity. For even more momentum to the digging arm, the boom float function can be activated. Gravity now lowers the boom, and the unused hydraulic flow is redirected to the arm for even faster digging speeds. In challenging terrain, you'll appreciate increased traction force and precise travel control for faster and smoother rides over difficult ground and uphill grades. Volvo's user-friendly attachment managing system allows storage for up to 18 different attachment presets. It lets operators change attachments quickly without need for manual setup. This saves downtime and increases productivity. To maximize your production, Volvo excavators are service-friendly. Easy-to-reach compartments open quickly for any necessary checks, replacements, or services. Service points and filters are grouped at as close to ground level as possible for easy access, making daily checks and changeouts quicker for increased productivity. Volvo's CareTrack communicates with the machine and provides detailed information such as uptime, productivity, and service on a protected website. Volvo's new generation of D-series excavators strengthens its position as a world leader in excavators. At Volvo, you get much more than a machine. You get a partner you can rely on and something no other excavator can offer: pure productivity and the best profit per ton.